Hi darlings, welcome back. I wanted to make a stretching tutorial for you to accompany the Persian date shake we just made to help combat fatigue, stress, and nausea. This will really energize you. These stretches will absolutely get your blood flowing, and it'll all take about 5 minutes when you wake up in the morning. So we are going to start on our hands and knees to help you wake up. We're going to do some cat-cow, exhaling rounded spine, inhaling, arch, exhale rounded spine, for cow, inhaling for cat, arch. And you can do about 5 of these each. Now come halfway back up, tabletop, curl your toes under, and we're gonna send our hips to the sky in a triangle pose. Trying to push your heels as much as you can to the ground. And from here, we're gonna start pedaling. Really get your blood flowing when you wake up. This will help push the compression from your spine down into your hips and work your core. Big bends, pressing your knees to your chest, really lubricating your hips and knees. And we're gonna put our knees back down. We're gonna get ready to get into a plank. For 10 seconds. And you can do longer if you can stand it. Getting back into child's pose, dropping your knees, sitting into your hips. You could separate your knees more as well to get a really deep stretch. Reach, reach, reach. Now we're gonna get ready to go back into plank. For 10 seconds. And back into child's pose. Reach, reach, reach. And one more time into plank. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back into child's pose. Drop our knees. And back into plank. We're gonna get ready to go back and forth, rocking back and forth. And back into plank, we're gonna get ready to rock back and forth. And if you can handle it, we're gonna do 10 of these. Drop your knees. We're gonna come into the center and get into a Z position. So one leg out in front of you and one leg behind you. You don't have to hyper focus on breathing. You've just woken up, so just breathing is an accomplishment in of itself. Arms up into a T. We're gonna stretch one arm over at a time. Other side. Again, don't get caught up in the breathing. Just make sure you're inhaling and exhaling normally. And you can do 5 of these on each side, but now we're gonna switch legs. So whichever leg you had in front will go behind you now. Into a Z position for your legs, arms into a T position. Alternating sides. Big chest up into the sky. Again, you can do 5 on each side. Now we're gonna pull ourselves back down onto the mat, tummies onto the mats. Now you have 2 options here. You can keep your chin on the mat like this, or you can put one cheek down this way. And we're gonna push ourselves up into a slight back bend. This will prepare you for the next set of stretches. And back down, either your chin or your cheek. So we're gonna take one foot at a time, flexing it up, and we're gonna pulse twice inward, and exhale and point. So as you pull your flex foot in twice, you inhale twice. Point, exhale, release. Other foot, flexing, inhaling, and then exhaling, pointing. And it's not a race. This is to wake you up and energize you. However many you feel you need to do to wake yourself up, we're gonna push ourselves back up onto the mat for one final stretch. Crossing our legs and reaching for the sky. Nice and big, chest to the sky. One more. And that's it. I hope you're feeling relaxed and energized and ready to command your day. Don't forget, as usual, Layla loves you.